All right, thank you for choosing Niswonger AV. Hey, Danielsville Elementary, I want to show you your new AV system. So I'm going to start off here with the control box that'll be on the side of your rack, okay? So you got on and off. This controls on and off to the projector, okay? Then you have up and down. This controls up and down to your screen. So it is an electric screen. You can push it down to let the screen down and then back up to let the screen back up. Then at the bottom, you've got HDMI and VIA. This is your HDMI is your wired HDMI connection. So make sure you connect this to your device or laptop and make sure the HDMI is selected. It will light up when it's selected. Next to it is the VIA. This is your wireless collaboration unit. So that's the unit that sits back behind here. When you select the wireless, you will see a splash screen on the projector screen, okay? And it will show you what to do, where to go, address and everything, IP address and everything, and then you can actually wirelessly collaborate to your projector, okay? Then when you're done, make sure the screen goes back up, turn the projector off, okay? On the rack, so to make sure everything's working, make sure you're powered on, this will be up and the light will be on. Okay, next is your wireless mic receivers, all right? So this is your receiver for wireless mic 1. It corresponds to this handheld microphone. To turn it on, just press and hold the power button. It'll turn on and it'll match up with the group and channels. You have a lapel mic as well with a body pack. That's gonna be for your wireless mic number 2. And you can use both of those at the same time, okay? All right, to mute it, just push it once. You see it's muted. And then hold it in for a couple seconds to turn it completely off, okay? And make sure it's off because it will use down the battery, all right? You also have a Bluetooth player here, so if you notice here, your status light is kind of blinking green. When you push this in, it will look for your device. So if you've got an iPhone, whatever phone you have, look to pair it and then you can connect in your settings of your phone, okay? Once it's connected, then you'll have full control up here of your device, all right? On the mixer, we've got mic level 1, number 1 here, mic 2, number 2 here. So that will control your individual mic levels, okay, out to your speakers. All right, over here you've got your music source. So L1 is your little mini jack here. And then if you just come up here and select PC, that's going to be for your PC volume, okay? So this is from the HDMI or the Kramer VIA. Either one of those, you will control your volume here with the level control. And then for your Bluetooth, you can select over there for your Bluetooth. That'll be your Bluetooth volume. And this will be the level control for that, okay? And keep in mind you can control that from your devices as well, so just keep that in mind as well. Coming down here, you've got the power amp. You can leave this on. That will stay on with the system. And then below here is just your drawer. You can put your mics and anything else that you need in there. And I think that about does it. If you have any questions or sales or service, we've got our number here, general email address. Drop us a line. Let us know if we can help you. Thank you again for choosing Niswonger AV.